Good day guys, having trouble with TeamViewer's remote control not working, whether your mouse isn't moving on the other side or nothing responds at all, here's a quick fix to get it working. Right, so on the remote computer, make sure TeamViewer is allowed to control the device. On Windows, this often means running TeamViewer as an administrator, so right-click the TeamViewer icon and select Run as Administrator. On Mac, go to System Preferences, Security and Privacy, Accessibility, and make sure TeamViewer is checked under Allow Control. Also, sometimes the session itself only allows screen viewing. On the remote side, make sure that full access is enabled in the TeamViewer settings. So basically guys, in the settings you go to the Advanced and then under Access Control, choose Full Access. So this will allow a full access to your computer or to the computer of the person you're helping or controlling the PC of. Also guys, you may try checking your antivirus software or Windows User Account Control for blocking TeamViewer input. So temporarily disable any third-party security software and test again. Also make sure no other remote desktop apps are running in the background like Chrome Remote Desktop or AnyDesk. Also guys, you might want to basically update your app. So for that, go to the Advanced and just make sure to check for the new version. It's either daily or just you can choose weekly, for example, or monthly, and pretty much have the latest version of the app installed. And also the last fix, you can completely close the application like this and reopen it, and this can also fix a lot of issues. So guys, that's pretty much the fixes. You can also go to the forum, as you can see, and maybe ask for help in the TeamViewer support. That's pretty much it guys. If you enjoyed the video, if it helped you, like the video and subscribe, and I will see you in the next tutorial.